Ever wondered why some people linger in your mind long after they're gone? Imagine being that unforgettable woman for someone else. Today, we're diving into 5 psychological secrets that can subtly trigger someone to genuinely miss you when you are not around. No gimmicks, no manipulative games, just powerful insights into how attraction and longing work in the brain. Understanding the science of attraction is essential for gaining insights into human behavior and building healthier relationships. In other words, knowing these psychological triggers will transform how you approach your relationships. You will start to create the kind of connection where they can't help but think about you. Just a quick note, this isn't about playing mind games or pretending to be someone you are not. It's about understanding natural human behaviors and psychology, the little triggers that makes our hearts grow fonder. When you get how these work, and I'll share the science behind each one of them, you can deepen your bonds and let attraction unfold almost magically and certainly. Ready to get started? Let's jump right into the good stuff. 1. Let absence work its magic. Scarcity principle. Ever heard the saying, absence makes the heart grow fonder? There's real psychology behind that. We humans tend to value things more when they are scarce or slipping away. Think about it. When your favorite limited edition latte is off the menu, you crave it more, right? The same idea applies to you and your presence. If you're always available, 24/7, always be the first to text, always saying yes to plans at the drop of a hat, there's no scarcity. Mystery and distance are your allies here. The science. Psychologists call this scarcity principle. When something or someone is less available, we automatically perceive it as more valuable. This is wired in our brains from way back then when resources are limited. Rare means important. Giving someone a little space triggers this effect. It's why the classic no contact rule often works after a breakup. By stepping back, you become that rare, intriguing presence they start valuing more and more. Here's how you apply it. Don't be afraid to live your life independently. Prioritize your plans sometimes. If you're in a constant texting marathon, ease up a bit. You don't need to vanish or ignore them rudely. Just focus on your activities and let them wonder about you every now and then. Watch how they start reaching out more. When you do connect, they'll be extra happy to hear from you, guaranteed. 2. Leave them wanting more. Zeigarnik effect and peak end rule. Have you ever been hooked on a TV show because every episode ends on a dramatic cliffhanger? You're left thinking about it for days, right? The same principle applies to interactions with people. Here's the science. The Zeigarnik effect states that people remember unfinished or interrupted things more than things that they have a tidy ending to. Meanwhile, the peak end rule suggests that people mainly remember the highlight of an experience and its ending. If you combine these two ideas, ending on a peak moment and adding a bit of a cliffhanger, you create an irresistibly memorable impression. When you're hanging out or chatting, be mindful of the timing. If you notice the interaction is at its peak, aka its most exciting, maybe you two are having a deep heartfelt connection or a super fun time, consider wrapping it up shortly after, rather than letting it drag into boredom. Say something like, "This has been so great, but I have to run. Let's pick this up later." The goal is to leave them wanting more. 3. Make memories that stick. Emotional anchors and nostalgia. Think about the last time a whiff of perfume or a certain song instantly reminded you of someone special. That's because our brains anchor emotions to sensory memories. When we deeply connect with someone, our brains forms neural fingerprints of them. The sights, sounds, and scents associated with that person get imprinted in our memory. When you spend meaningful time with someone, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good reward chemical, and oxytocin, the bonding hormone. Oxytocin amplifies things like visual cues, smells, and sounds during moments of closeness. Later, just the faintest hint of that scent or hearing that song on the radio can flood them with feelings of missing you. Here's how you do it. Create little rituals or traditions. Maybe it's a silly catchphrase, a unique nickname, or a weekend routine like Sunday afternoon bike rides. Over time, these consistent little details become deeply associated with you. When they encounter those sights, sounds, or smells later on, it's hello nostalgia. They'll feel a ping of, I miss how that made me feel with her. 4. Live your best life. Confidence and social proof. One of the most compelling ways to make someone miss you is to show that you are thriving. It's not about making them jealous, it's about genuinely living your life fully and joyfully. Humans naturally engage in social comparisons. We constantly, even subconsciously, compare our situations to others. When an ex or that special someone sees you doing great, it can create a classic grass is greener moment. They recall the good times and wonder if they made a huge mistake in letting you go. This is what you do. Shift the focus back to your growth and happiness. Not only does this boost your confidence, which is irresistibly attractive on its own, but it's also showing them that you're not sitting around waiting. Share your joy in an authentic way. When they catch glimpses of you rocking your world, two things happen. One, they remember why they were drawn to you in the first place. And two, they start to miss being part of your world. 5. Keep a hint of mystery. A dash of mystery and unpredictability can seriously spice up their curiosity and, yes, make them miss you as well. Think of yourself as an intriguing book. If they feel like they haven't quite figured you out, they'll be eager to turn the next page. Guys, our brains love novelty. Experiencing something new or unexpected triggers the release of dopamine, the pleasure chemical like we've discussed prior. Studies have found that a bit of uncertainty or unpredictability can actually amplify attraction and excitement. By keeping a hint of mystery, you keep them engaged and eager for more. This is how you do it. Embrace a bit of spontaneity and independence. Don't be too predictable. Pursue hobbies they didn't expect. Playfully surprise them now and then and let them wonder about you just enough. When someone feels like they haven't fully figured you out, you become a delightful puzzle in their mind. And when you're not around, they are piecing together those puzzles, those thoughts of you, which then makes them miss you. Guys, making someone miss you isn't about tricks. It's about understanding human psychology and focusing on you. When you give space, you let them feel their need for you. When you leave on a high note, you stay in their mind. When you create emotional anchors, you become unforgettable. When you thrive on your own, you become a presence they want to be in their life. And when you stay a little mysterious, you keep them wanting more. At the end of the day, the goal isn't just to make someone miss you. It's to be a person they don't want to lose. So go live your best life, apply these secrets naturally, and watch how effortlessly they start thinking about you more and more. Trust me, they won't even realize what hit them, but they'll definitely know they miss you.